In a minute, the 35th anniversary ceremony is going to begin on the stage behind me.
Here to kick off Epcot's 35th anniversary celebration, please welcome Mariachi Cobre.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here to perform a brand new musical tribute, please welcome the Voices of Liberty.
Dream come true with just a spark in me and you. Fly
That was a really great ceremony, wasn't it? So now I'm going to tell you about my day. I had a couple magical things that happened to me today. First, this random guy gave me a free Figment pop doll. He gave it to me because he liked my Figment outfit. Second, I met the really famous Disney YouTuber, Tim Tracker. He was really nice, and I was so excited to meet him. After that, I met the vice president of Epcot and got to take my picture with her. So overall, it's been a really exciting celebration. And now, I'm going to treat myself to a 35th anniversary cupcake. Look at the 35th anniversary Starbucks cup. I'm at the Mouse Ears gift shop, and I thought I'd show you all the cool 35th anniversary stuff they have. These shirts are so cute, some of them even have a vintage look. This cute Figment shirt is my favorite. There's even some magnets and hats. So basically, there's a lot of cool 35th anniversary merchandise, but it's flying off the shelves. I'm still on a quest for that cupcake. I already went to 2 places, but they were sold out at both. There's a couple more places that might have it though. So let's go. Okay, so here's the situation on the cupcake. The Spaceship Earth one is already sold out, but we heard that in Norway, they have their own cupcake. So we're gonna try to get that one. So Epcot has a couple anniversary cupcakes. This one is the Norway one. It has 2 troll horns on it. Troll horns are my favorite. Mmm. Mmm.
You got some on your cheek.
I don't care. I'm hungry.
I'm saving it for later.
Okay.
No, don't wipe it on your.
You have a sprinkle on your eyelid.
What? This is a really good cupcake. Epcot has a legacy showplace for the 35th anniversary. Let's go check it out. I like this model of Spaceship Earth. Let's go check out the gallery. Look at that beautiful painting of Epcot. That's on Spaceship Earth, right before you go inside. This building used to be filled with rides. This was a picture before they took all the rides down. It was called the Wonders of Life. This is the Dreamfinder and Figment from the old Figment ride. let's go check out these models. This is a Germany pavilion. Look at the model of Canada. And if you have extra time, there's even a video you can watch. Now the only thing left to do for the anniversary is to watch an illumination show at the end of the night. It's just supposed to be a little bit more special. I hope you enjoyed the celebration. I know I did. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more footage like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.